Hey everybody, Yoshi here from Yoka. I am super excited to introduce you to the new feature that has just been released like 20 minutes ago from OpenAI for ChatGPT. Have you ever wondered how much time you're spending pre-feeding your chats, like your company information, who you are, what your writing style is? Well, say no more, because finally you can actually have a business profile or a personal profile now. It's called custom instructions, and I've been waiting for that for such a long time. Let's explore it together a little bit. I tried it a few times, so check this out together. First of all, with like all new features, you go to your profile here on the bottom left, and then you go to settings and go to beta features and go to custom instructions and make sure you turn that on. This is currently only available for all Plus users, but they said they're going to roll this out for everyone in the next few weeks, so that's good news. After you're done with it, you can go again to your name here and basically go to custom instructions, which is a new pop-up. You have two boxes here. The first one is, what would you like ChatGPT to know about you to provide better responses? And the second one is, how would you like ChatGPT to respond? So here you can put in like, what do you usually talk about? What company do you work for? What interests do you have? What goals do you want to achieve with most of your messages? And like, what industry are you in? What is this thing that excites you? What are like your hobbies or something like that? So there are some tips here. So what I put in is that my company's name is Yoka. We're all about efficiency. Our tagline is empowering efficiency in brands and people. A short description, and I put like our goals to educate people about AI and its benefits, get bite-sized insights of how to run a more efficient company with the help of technology, etc., etc. And then like I pasted a few bits and pieces from our company profile in here, and you have 1,500 characters, so that's I guess that's enough for now. So let's see how that works. And then, how would you like ChatGPT respond? And when you click on this box, you have like a few tips here from ChatGPT, like how formal or casual it should sound, or how long or short should responses generally be, what kind of responses do you like, and how do you want to be addressed. So I put here, my name is Yoji Kanki, and I have a very simple English language skills and a tone of voice. I'm honest and direct with a little bit of humor sometimes. I'd like to sound like Gary Vee, but without the cursing all the time. I always want opinion on anything, but I am an optimist by nature, and I always want to keep an open mind to new technologies. And then I said, please respond in like bite-sized pieces. So if you have a long paragraph, just please break it down. And I'm a very visual learner, so if there's a chance to reply in the form of tables or charts or graphs, then I would prefer that. So bite-sized, visual learner, my tone of voice, my name, how I like to be addressed. This is a very, very good start of how I like to preset all my future ChatGPT chats. Again, I've been waiting for this for such a long time, because if you use ChatGPT professionally, I think the most time it takes me to start a new chat is to start with, hey, I want you to act as a marketing specialist now. This is our company Yoka. Our goals are X, Y, and Z. We are all about efficiency. And then start saying like, okay, I need to make a content plan, or I need to make whatever I'm currently working on, right? So this is the only way to really get this kind of like middle path between like building your own model, or building something that is completely based on you, and using something like ChatGPT, which is trained on a data set. This will be a very good start for all of us to get a few more personalized responses. If you only use this, for your personal life, or you use it every now and then for work. But also if you're a company owner like myself and you work with many brands and we have many brands that we consult, you don't want to, start from scratch every time you want to create a new task or you want to get ChatGPT to help you with something. So I will click one time cancel now because I saved this already, but obviously if you want to do so, then you just click save. Let's start a new chat one time. You don't need to press anything in here, so this is automatically enabled in every chat. And let's do something like, please help me write a content plan for LinkedIn for our company Yoka. So the interesting thing is, before these presets were available or custom instructions, it would completely make stuff up because it probably doesn't know what Yoka is. But if we click enter now, you can see absolutely, Yoji, let's draft a 4-week content plan to educate and inspire and engage your audience on LinkedIn. The goal is to emphasize efficiency, the power of AI, the importance of brand investment, and the effective use of technology in business. Since you prefer visual representation, here's the plan in a table format. So, I mean, this is so great. I'm really going to test this out for a few more days. And I will give you guys a greater summary and some other tips and tricks that this might be able to help you with. But just simply looking at this, okay, so I have an intro, I have my table, everything is nicely organized. I can look this through right away. We have week 1, 2, 3, 4, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so we post 3 times a week. And yeah, we have a very good example. And oh yeah, we can see here now that custom instructions are on. And if we hover over this, I guess we can review that and make sure that everything in the way that we wanted it to be preset for our future conversation. Guys, this just came out, and as I said, like 30 minutes ago, so I will make a longer video about it and I'll keep you guys in the loop. I hope you enjoyed the very quick introduction. I'm just definitely going to play around with my instructions a little bit, my custom instructions, and see how I can make them perfect so all my future conversations and setups are going to be so much more efficient. Please let me know in the comments what you think, if you find this useful or not, and stay tuned for the full video. I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.